friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. Today we will create another project called Password Generator. So let's get started. We are covering the topics such as string, loop, and random module. It generates a random and secure password of a specified length. It allows the user to specify the length of the password. The password includes a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. In this program, we have defined two functions. First, generate password, and second, password generator. In password generator function, first we are asking the user the length of the password to be generated. After getting the length from the user, we are calling generate password function and passing the length of the password to be generated to this function. String.ASCII letters includes all uppercase and lowercase letters from A to Z. String.digits contains all digits from 0 to 9. String.punctuation includes all special symbols. Random.choice characters randomly selects a character from the list of available characters. Join function joins the list of randomly chosen characters into a single string. Now let's run this program. It asks user to enter the desired password length. User has entered 12 and the program has generated a password of 12 characters. Hope you like this project. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.